Hello, it's Marcus McCurry with DFW Fence Contractor. I just want to show you what to expect in a day's worth of work from a crew of ours. I pulled up here to a job site. It's at the end of the day. It's like 4:30. So it's January 31st, 2024, starting the new year. And this is a daily deal. We're tearing out somebody's old fence and we're putting in a new fence. This is the bulk of our business. We do a lot of what I call retro fence installation, tearing out somebody's old, putting in the new. I'm going to flip the camera around here and show you real quick. Just pull up here, like I said, this job site. Turn the truck off. So right there's a stack of old fencing that we just tore out. Usually stack this up and take all this back to the shop. It's got the old post on top, usually old panels underneath. Looks like here we're using a little bit of maximizer concrete, using Postmaster post. It's a Postmaster Plus 9-foot length. So we're probably building a 6-foot tall fence because we set our 6-foot talls with 9-foot posts most of the time if we're doing any type of top cap and trim. I'm gonna walk around the back here. Yeah, it looks like we're doing 6-foot board on board. There's some picket material. This is our 1x6x8. This is going to be probably for the trim. They probably haven't trimmed the job yet, but they're working on it. So yeah, right here, we got a 6-foot tall board on board going on. Oh yeah. Hola, amigo. Hey. So right there's a Postmaster installation, board on board. This is the first overlap. Mingo's probably putting a measuring tool on there. He's probably already marked his post or marked the picket where he's gonna put it. That'll be the gate frame. Looks like he hasn't cut this out yet, but he will be doing that shortly. This is normal on a job site as we're kind of underway. We're gonna be making a mess, but we're gonna clean all this up when we're done. There's the gate frame piece right here. He's gonna end up cutting this out. We'll end up putting a cover trim over this. So anyway, 6-foot tall, pre-stained, Western red cedar, Master Halco product.